एनडीए के उपराष्ट्रपति पद के उम्मीदवार नामांकन भरने के बाद वेंकैया नायडू कुछ कह रहे हैं, सुनते हैं।
Corner of the country. Extensive tour has been my way of life. Interacting with the people, meeting the people, greeting the people, talking to the people, walking with the people, working with the people. That has been my passion. The office of the Vice President is a different profile. And it has got its own functional norms. From being constantly with the people, among the people, for the people, now moving to a defined constitutional responsibility. It will have its own issues. I hope that I will be able to do justice. I am grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, to the BJP President, Sri Amit Bhai Shah, and to various partners of the NDA, and also the parties which have come forward so far to support our candidature, from the AIDMK, from the TRS, from YSR Congress, from Indian National Lok Dal, and also the other parties. Some of the parties will make an announcement. Afterwards, I take the name. I don't want to presuppose, though I have the information that some more friends are also going to join this. And there is no question of an election campaign also, because the electoral college consists of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members. They are all elected people. They are all very much here only. And moreover, the institution of Vice President has got its own importance. You are all aware that India's strength lies, and also its beauty lies, in parliamentary democratic system. So it will be my endeavour to strengthen that parliamentary democratic system. And I also keep in mind that this office of the Vice President had been held by illustrious sons of this great country like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Sri M. Hidayatullah, Justice Hidayatullah, Sri R. Venkatraman, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, Sri Bairan Singh Shekhawat ji, and other leaders. I am fully aware of the august responsibilities associated with the office of the Vice President. So I would like to assure one and all, I will uphold the dignity, the decorum of the institution, and also work towards further strengthening parliamentary democratic system. And Rajya Sabha is an important institution in our parliamentary democratic system. It's a House of Elders. So I assure the people that on being elected, I will uphold the traditions and standards set by worthy predecessors, and uphold the dignity of the office of the Vice President of India. Election is going to take place on 5th August, and the tenure of the present Vice President will be completed on 11th August, 10th August, and the new person will be sworn in on 11th. So that there is ample time. I do not want to make any other comment in this press meeting. As I told you, it's more than a meeting, it's a greeting. And also, I saw reports also about what happened in the parliamentary board yesterday. I only want to make one thing very clear. I am an ordinary person. I come from a humble agricultural background. I don't have great family history and all. We were people committed to agriculture, which is our basic culture. And from that humble background, I have risen to this level because of the support given to me by the people, by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and held various responsibilities, various levels. And I used to enjoy working among the people, working for the party. I lost my mother at a very young age. I want to put it on record. Of 1 year, 6 months. Then I treated my party as my mother. And they have really brought me up to this level. So it was really a little painful to leave the party. So that's why I became a little emotional. That's why I also was insistent that the country got a great leadership. We should strengthen the country through that leadership and move forward. That was my wish. And there was no intention that some people were saying, no, he wanted to continue as minister, and I can make it very clear. I had already made up my mind. I told my colleagues also that I want to see that Sri Narendra Modi comes back once again in 2019, and then I'll call it off and join the social service. That has been my this thing. So, but destiny decided otherwise. Whatever decision was taken, finally after discussion, I have agreed for the decision, and I have withdrawn myself from the party. I am now above party. I do not belong to BJP now. Secondly, I have also resigned from the Council of Ministers. I have personally conveyed to Prime Minister and sent a letter also yesterday night itself. And I will be continuing as Member of Parliament because there is a voting also. So after that, if people are kind enough, God is great, I'm sure, I will give up that responsibility also. These things I want to make it very clear. I am thankful to all the associates. Today I took leave of the friends of NDA and other foreign parties also. Literally it was like a farewell, because afterwards there is no question of my going to any party office, or I will meet them in my other responsibility, not as a party function. I am thankful, and in this hall also, this may be my last meeting. I would like to thank all my colleagues, Sri Anant Kumar, who was the Parliament Affairs Minister after me, and Sri Bhupendra Yadav, महामंत्री. हम लोग केवल मंत्री था, ये महामंत्री है और अनिल बरोनी and Narasimha and all other friends, Bala Subramanian, whom I know from my childhood.
वेंकैया नायडू
वेंकैया नायडू को आप सुन रहे थे। नामांकन भरने के बाद पहली बार मीडिया से वो मुखातिब हुए, भावुक हो गए। थोड़ी देर के लिए पार्टी से दूर जाने की बात पर वो भावुक हो गए, और साथ ही कहा 2019 में भी पीएम मोदी को जिताने की इच्छा थी। पार्टी से दूर जाने की बात पर भावुक हुए वेंकैया नायडू, और साथ ही कहा कि मैं किसान परिवार से आता हूं, पार्टी मेरी मां है जिसने मुझे यहां तक पहुंचाया है।
ये है एबीपी न्यूज़, आपको रखे आगे।